what is the exact reason, we will do something called as root cause analysis. We will try
Yes.
to identify what is the exact error and is it happening only at a specific time or is it happening at multiple times? What is the input that we are giving when we are getting an error? And what is the expected output? If it is happening multiple times, then what is the size of the data that we are trying to retrieve? Is it 10 rows or is it 1 lakh rows? Now, if it is 1 lakh rows, when we are exporting the data, how fast are we able to export? If you are getting 1 lakh rows in database, then you can right click on it and export that complete table, correct?
Yes.
Now, the same thing, it may not be possible with UiPath because the size of the data to store in the variable might be very high.
Yes.
You may need to call database multiple times, or you may need to pull only first 10 items first and skip the 10 items and get the next 10 items. This is how you need to do. But
Understood. Mm.
ideal scenario is for you, try to identify what is the cause of the error.
Okay.
Now, if you are sure that the error is just it's taking time and the activity is failing, then increase the timeout of the activity. Now, for every activity, there will be something called as timeout. If you are going here and if you're checking this particular error, this is happening because there is a timeout. You need to go here in run query in the properties of query. You have timeout. All you need to do is this is in the milliseconds. If you want to add 30 seconds, then it must be 30,000.
Okay.
Now, if I want to add into 10, I can just add 3 lakh seconds. It will wait for 3 lakh seconds until the query gets complete. If it is still in the execution, then it will throw error. So this is simple logic that you can follow. But identifying the root cause is the most important activity that anyone can think of.